it's Brooke with WTI. If you're already making the effort to get some cool video footage, well, try out this invisible selfie stick and make it that much better. I like how it gives me the drone effect, and I don't have a selfie stick blocking my view. This is by XIONZIJA, and this is our carbon fiber extended invisible selfie stick. Look at the height. I can get full landscape views. This extends all the way to 9.8 feet or 300 centimeters or 3 meters. I can adjust it to a higher or shorter length, and it has a friction locking capability so that I can hold it and it's secure. And when it's fully extended, I'm able to have full control of it because it's not bending, it's durable, it's very stable. And I also like that the 1/4 standard screw interface holds my Insta camera and it is secure on the tip. This is really fun, especially if you want to get some good video footage or if you want to get a good picture. So this is a great addition if you don't have a drone. It's really great for getting that height. It's also easy to hold because it's lightweight. It weighs about the size of a soda can, so I can hold it for a very long time. It also has an anti-slip handle, allowing me to really just hold it without feeling like I'm going to drop it. It's very stable. It's also made with high strength and simple enough to use. It's a no-brainer. The bottom is solid and secure. So if you just need to get this drone effect or want to try out an invisible selfie stick, I highly recommend this one. We love using this, but that's just my point of view.